Okay, so this is the major scale formula. We have root notes. Let me write it in the way you can see it. So we have root notes, tone, tone, semitone, then tone, 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 tone. I've run out of space. Let's continue from here. Tone, then semitone. And that semitone, you will see that you have already. Let me show you something. Let's do the major scale on the key of D sharp. We have root note, tone, meaning we'll skip this one. We'll skip this one, go to this. Tone again, we'll skip this one, go to this. Semitone, we'll go here. Then tone again, we'll skip this one, go here. Then another tone, then semitone. Do you notice that where we have landed is also D sharp, the same as where we started? Shares it. So we started on our root notes, we also ended on our root note. So this semitone you will land on is also your root note. You get. So I want you to I wrote it this big for you to be able to see it. So I want you to write it in your notebooks on one line, write it normally. So this is the major scale formula. Alright, so what's the next thing we're looking at? We have looked at major scale. So with this, you can be able to play the major scale on the 12 keys. Let's look at okay. The last things we are going to look at is technique, fingering and hand placement. Technique, fingering and hand placement. Fingering, or what you will call fingering, just spell finger at ing. Fingering, the hand placement. Fingering and hand placement fall under the what we call technique. You know what? Let's leave that for next class, shall we? We just wanted to do definition of terms, and we are almost done with that. So let me just define fingering. Fingering and hand placement fall under the topic techniques. It comprises a system of assigning specific fingers to specific keys by numbering each finger. So it's a numbering system that is used to assign specific fingers to specific keys. For instance, this is well, we'll get into that next class. So you have taken down the notes and we've come to the end of today's class.